Class 10 Social Science History discuss the factors that led to the civil disobedience movement. Factor number one: the then Secretary of State for India challenged the Indians' capability that they were not able to uh, constitute a joint constitution which could be acceptable to all political party in India. Therefore, one drafting committee under the presidency of Motilal Nehru and his son Jawaharlal Nehru as secretary was formed, and this committee presented Nehru report, the draft of the draft of a new constitution for India. Secondly, Simon Commission was formed 2 years earlier. As per the Government of India Act, it was to be formed in 1929 after 10 years, but it was formed in 1927, 2 years earlier. Third point, in uh, in the uh, there were 5 members in the committee in the Simon Commission, but even a single member was not Indian. The non-inclusion of Indian in this commission became national prestige, and it hurt the national sentiment of the country, and people started boycotting Simon Commission. In 1928, mm, Lala Lajpat Rai was leading a demonstration in Lahore against Simon Commission. Police started lathi charge in which he was badly beaten, and later he died. This also became one of the most important factor for uh, civil disobedience movement. Next, in 1929, a session of Indian National Congress was held at Lahore, and in that session, it was decided to celebrate 26 January 1930 all over the country as Independence Day. It was also declared that a movement should be started for the complete independence of India. Nothing less than nothing less than complete independence. Lastly, on 31st January 1930, M.K. Gandhi made 11-point demand to Lord Irwin. In case of failure of accepting the demand, he threatened the viceroy that he would start a movement, and it happened like that. He did not entertain his 11 point demands, and as a result, MK Gandhi started a civil disobedience movement with famous Dandi March. थैंक यू. आपको पसंद आना चाहिए.